Dear students, the next topic is recruitment methods. There are two main kinds of recruitment method. One is the internal recruitment methods and second are the external recruitment methods. So before going to the detail of internal recruitment methods and external recruitment method, we need to give a general overview of the recruitment methods. Whenever a job vacancy exists in your organization, the first recruitment source to be considered is within the organization. As we discussed earlier, whenever you have a vacancy, whenever you have a sudden or unusual vacancy, you need to fill that vacancy from inside of the organization. Means internal recruitment method need to be preferred in case of urgency. One of the research study found that organization filled more than half of their supervisory and managerial vacancies via internal promotions. But such results are no longer so common. This research study showed that most of the organization filled their managerial positions through internal promotions, means they promoted their employees to the next level. This is good, but such kind of results are no longer exist, and now future studies are showing very different results. Despite the claim advantages of internal promotions, there are some issues with internal promotions as well. For example, there is an improved morale, reduction, orientation and training requirement, recruitment, etc. Many organizations now prefer to recruit from outside their existing pool of employees. Means now organizations are shifting from internal promotion or internal recruitment methods to the hiring of employees from outside of the organization, and these methods would be called as external recruitment methods. Promotion from within is not without its disadvantages. Employees who apply for the jobs and are rejected can be disconnected. Sometimes those employees who would not get promotions, they would be disconnected from the organization. They may have a low morale. They have a less motivation to do job in that particular company. So the pool of candidates may be restricted as well. That you don't have a much bigger pool of a candidate. Why? Because you are hiring employees from through internal promotion. Creativity can be stifled as a result of inbreeding, because there is an inbreeding and you are promoting only employees from within the organization. And then management time involvement and expenses can be excessive as well, because whenever you are going through internal promotion or internal recruitment method, management need to spend more time to recruit people from within the organization. Lystrot's management recognized the inbreeding is a major issue and thus suggest that 1/3 of all vacancies must be filled by outsiders. Means you don't need to rely only on the internal recruitment, but you have to consider external recruitment method as well. Means you need to hire people from outside of the organization as well. There is another expert opinion. The expert suggests that a target of 80% of the middle and senior management appointments comes from within and 20% be recruited from outside. Mean it is not a good idea only to rely and only to hire people from within the organization. It is also better to hire 20% of your new positions, 20% of your middle and senior management need to be hired from outside. So there must be a ratio of 80 and 20 if you would like to hire your middle management and senior management position for your organization. So 80% and 20% rule is the best rule by one of the experts in recruitment process.